Today's video from Sam4S help.co.uk. We're looking at how to use the %1 discount button on the NR-510R register. So on the standard programming of the machine you have a discount button here which is labelled %1. It works on the standard programming as a discount off an individual item rather than off the total transaction. So for example, if we rang a £10 sale into PLU1, we can now give a variable percentage discount off that line. So to give 10% off that line, 10, and then your %1 discount button, and that discount is recorded on the transaction and also on the end of day sales report. You can repeat the process for each line of the transaction, and then when you've entered all the items, subtotal and cash the sale off in the normal fashion. On the standard programming you can't use the discount once you've pressed subtotal, so it's only off the last item entered, so you have to make sure to enter it after each line that's appropriate. For example, we can get 10% now, it'll only apply to the goods PLU rather than the other £2 we just rang through. And likewise, if we now subtotal the sale and try and put in a 10% discount off the total transaction, we just get an error message because of the way the button's set up. So that's how to discount transactions on the standard version of the NR-510R. I'll have a video showing you how to program the button slightly differently, so you can use it either as a preset amount or to work as a preset percentage off the total transaction, so after you've pressed subtotal. That video is probably appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.